Find or read reviews that people are talking about Domivans Portable Clothes Dryer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Simple to use, whether you're on vacation, a business trip, or an RV adventure, Domivans Portable Dryer quickly dries clothes and underwear. Package includes large fabric cover, removable handle, main unit, power switch, lower shell, base cover, drying bag, zipper, base cover, air outlet, moldable extension tube. Compact clothes dryer, ideal for small apartments, limited laundry spaces, or vacation camping scenarios. It efficiently dries small, lightweight items like underwear, socks, baby clothes, swimwear, and more. Its lightweight design allows easy portability, offering life-saving convenience for those constantly on the go or with busy schedules. Rapid Mini Clothes Dryer, utilizing a unique drying system that combines hot air and airflow technology, it efficiently removes moisture from clothes. Drying can be completed in as little as 60 minutes, far faster than air drying or hanging to dry. Deep Clean, this 2-in-1 dryer features a moldable telescopic tube, delivering impeccable cleanliness and purity for all your garments from underwear and lingerie to lightweight clothing, socks, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.